Looping's on tight.
Well, they're gonna be vlogging. Here. You go to bed and I get an egg.
Sorry.
Here, here. Let me.
I already started thinking of it already.
Okay, guys.
How about Robert?
What? That's wonderful.
I was thinking about it if I died.